When I was a little kid, I got bullied most of the time because my father was a janitor in our school. They kept on belittling us and they told me that I have no future. That time I made promise to myself that I will prove them wrong. Even though my father was a janitor, we can change our life for the better. I love my father and he did all that he could to give me the proper education that I needed despite all the hardships in life. I was not smart, but I studied hard, harder than anyone else. After a few years, it paid off. I graduated and my father was so proud of me. Still, our struggles kept on coming. It was hard to find a job because of the recession and expense kept on increasing. For months, I looked for a decent job, but no one was hiring. I don't have a choice to accept multiple odd jobs to make ends meet. It was hard and exhausting, but endured all of it for my father, whom I wanted to retire as he was too old to work. One day, while walking in the street, I saw something shiny beside a trash bin. It was an odd looking bracelet, and as soon as I touched it, I felt a strange and soothing sensation. I was thinking that maybe someone must have dropped it, so I asked around who owned it. No one claimed the bracelet, so I wore it. What happened next was nothing short of a miracle. I got a job offer from a car company that paid more than my odd jobs combined. At first, I did was a little paperwork and bringing coffee for to our bosses, but little by little things were getting better. I worked harder than anyone else until they finally noticed my dedication. They started to train me for a higher position, and after few months, I got promoted. My salary was increased, and I was able to buy a new house for me and for my father. While eating our dinner, my father noticed that odd looking bracelet in my hand and asked me about it. I got curious too, so I started to do some research and I found out that it has something to do about the concept of feng shui. According to Wikipedia, feng shui is a pseudoscience originating from China. It claims to use energy forces to harmonize individuals with their surroundings environment. The art of feng shui is used to optimize abundance and prosperity of every kind wealth, health, relationships, and career success. Many famous people and companies in the world use feng shui. I began to search for the exact say some bracelet and found a seller in Hong Kong. As the seller was a feng shui master that only sells the bracelet in person, we flew over to Hong Kong and bought another for my father. Since then, good news kept coming in our lives. My father struck huge win in a lottery and used it to buy a dream car. As for me, my boss saw potential in me and promoted me to a manager that tripled income every month. Me and my father were able to travel around the world and live the life of our dreams. More blessings kept on pouring down on us, and no one looked down on us anymore. I was curious and wanted to find out more about Feng Shui and the bracelet. So I went back to Hong Kong and traced the people who made it. Each bracelet is carefully handmade and had to go through rituals the bless of the bracelet with good energy. The bracelet that bought is the Feng Shui Black Obsidian bracelet. By combining the lucky Asian beast Pik Shui With the natural stone black obsidian, it enhances the flow of positive energy greatly, especially in the area of wealth. The Piksui element helps to attract wealth while the black obsidian is responsible for the keeping and safeguarding. I will now teach you how to wear it. First, you need to wear the bracelet on your dominant hand, the hand you use to write. You also need to make sure that the head of the Piksui is outward so as to draw energy from all directions. Before and while wearing it, you also need to remember to touch it frequently. This lets it know that you are the master and it should assist you. Do not allow others to touch it. If someone else touches it, cleanse it with water. Do not wear it while bathing as it's incompatible with the dirty things. Besides the points mentioned, all you need to do to wear and let it do its magic. I just wish someone had told me about his sooner. I have suffering from bad luck for years. I could have enjoyed the better things earlier in life by wearing the Feng Shui black obsidian bracelet. Besides me, the bracelet has been the saving grace for so many people. One shared how it stopped the illness that has been killing her whole family. Another finally passed the board exam after failing 7 times. Another man told how he overcome his depression and regained his self-confidence with the interact people around the world are now increasingly knowledgeable about the concept of Feng Shui and how it can help one get unstuck from misfortune. By just wearing the Feng Shui black obsidian bracelet, you can correct imbalances of energy and start to enjoy life when everything just goes your way. It can all be achieved by wearing a simple Feng Shui bracelet wherever you go. You have nothing to lose except all your bad energy, bad luck, and misfortunes. Click on the Shop Now button to get yours and experience a more abundant life today.